Hi. It's been a minute. I think my last upload was probably 9 months ago, and it's been a journey. Guess I'm sitting here because I want to make this video for you guys. A couple weeks ago, I hit 12K subscribers, which for me is like pretty incredible. And I looked at the views and I almost have 2.3 million views. I really think that's not only something to celebrate for myself, but honestly, thank you guys for that, because without you, I couldn't have done it. So that's kind of why I'm here. I don't know if I have explaining to do, or if it's more of I just kind of want to take you guys through my journey on this channel and on YouTube, and what my plans are for the future. And mainly guys, I'm just here to thank you. I mean, this has been great to have this community, 12,000 of you that are subscribed. I mean, the regular 1,200 of you that come back regularly, like thank you. You're the ones kind of, I think, that I owe this explanation to, of like, hey, what's been going on? Like, what are you doing? What happened with the bus? Is it finished? And you know, are you still doing the other types of videos? What camera are you using now? Here we go. Let's just start on, you know, my whole journey with photography and filmmaking and how that transitioned into YouTube. For me, I have always had a passion for cameras and photography. A lot of my most popular videos are with my Nikon camera. And unfortunately, I do not own that camera anymore. I made the switch over to Sony, and that was actually a hurdle in itself, trying to learn how to use a brand new camera, record videos with it. So hey, this video's in 4K. I hope you like it. Like, I don't know, I might be way too crispy right now. Not sure. I'm gonna make sure there's a lot of B-roll over this so you don't have to look at me so much. Always love technology. Little insight on why there's no more Nikon videos. But for myself, I had a couple channels before this one. When I really started to get into video, it was just when I traveled. I would take a ton of video, and it was usually with Sony camera, Sony action camera, what everybody else calls GoPro. So it was a waterproof, all-weather kind of camera, and I took it everywhere with me, filmed a whole bunch of things. I mean, I think one of my channels still has like 50,000 video views on one of my tours through a place in Mexico. And then I kind of started watching YouTube, saw Casey Neistat, thought, hey, I can build a vlog. And that's actually how this channel started. It started as the Thompson Vlogs. I've changed the channel name to my name. I mean, some of my initial intros are still there with like TV vlogs. I thought that was so cool. Thompson Vlogs. I could not keep up with the regular uploads to maintain a vlog style channel. The reason I put my stuff out there, to be honest, like if you look at my whole channel, it's about helping other people or providing entertainment. That's something that truly takes a lot of time for a creator, I think, to develop and kind of get into their niche with. That's kind of what happened with the channel in the beginning. The vlogs were there. It kind of like they were okay, but they weren't, nobody was watching them. And then I thought about sharing, you know, like some of my passions. That kind of went to learning how to use my Nikon camera to film videos. Also a lot of Adobe Premiere Elements, which I plan on doing more of those. If you're one of those 12K subscribers that are like, where are my Premiere Elements tutorials? I'm probably even gonna bite the dust and download 2025 Elements, because that's what I use. And I will totally start to put up some more tutorials on those for sure. I always have IKEA furniture to assemble. And I mean, you guys love that. Like, that's like in my top content of all time, is assembling an IKEA baby crib. And I mean, that was just a life moment for me. It was something I had to do, and I recorded, I filmed it, and it's like, I should just have a warehouse where I assemble IKEA furniture for you guys. So again, that's kind of like, that's why I don't know where this channel is gonna go, because it's just kind of followed through my life. Things I don't share with you guys. Like, speaking of the baby crib, I mean, that was my daughter's crib. So I mean, I now have a 8-year-old daughter, but she now She now comes to YouTube and totally searches these videos. I also have twin sons, and they're just a couple years apart from my daughter, so they are 6. These kids are incredible with tech. Like, I didn't know you could follow somebody on Spotify, and like they figured it out. They now watch these videos as well. I want to be totally mindful of this type of video, especially because it's like you're putting this on the internet for everybody to see. And like, honestly, for me, it's like when I read that 12K and I looked at the messages on the app, and there's so many like questions from people. Where have you been? What are you doing? Like, just throw an update, like picture on YouTube, let us know, whatever. These videos are for you guys, the community. Not that I owe you an explanation, but I want your feedback. So I totally hope you guys hit those comments below. Like, tell me what you want to see, like, because I'm only looking at these analytics from YouTube. It's also 8 years of analytics, so I don't know, in those 8 years, I know things changed. I'm not trying to be this popular trend guy here. I just want to know what's on here, like, that you guys like. I love making videos, so I'm totally going to make more of that for you. I'm going to base that on my most views and things like that right now. As you can see, the last 5 years of the channel were like completely random and completely different. That's because I had a lot of life changes happen. So I'm now a single dad and I have my kids 50% of the time. Family's one of the most important things to me. That time that I have, it became a priority for them as well. On top of that, throughout the past 5 years, I've also had a couple of relationships, which again, I prioritize those relationships over this channel, over you guys. And I mean, that's just the truth. That's just life. That's kind of like why you saw random videos, probably why you didn't see any unboxing videos anymore, because like single dad, he's not going to buy toys for himself to unbox. That's why those are gone. They probably always will be gone. There are so much better YouTubers out there than me to kind of show those things to you. So if I get a new toy or a new lens or something specific to what I'm showing you on YouTube, totally, I'm gonna unbox it. Like, I think I did a Tesla charger was my last unboxing, and that's because it was something I truly needed it, and I was gonna make a video about installing it. Speaking of Tesla, I still have a car. I will totally 1000%, everybody wants a video, how many kilometers on it, how many years. I'm gonna share all that with you. I've had it over 5 years now, so, or about 5 years. And then there was the bus. And this is where, like, from my creator kind of personality, not personality, this is from kind of where, like, when I'm looking at all this, I know I gained, out of the 12,000 of you, I think I gained a couple thousand of you because of this bus series that I did. When I did that series, like, that's all I uploaded. Didn't upload anything else. Didn't tell you the Nikon camera was gone. Didn't tell you about getting a new Sony camera. Didn't show you any of the maybe little toys that I got. I was just like on the bus. That bus project took 2 years of my life, and it was a lot of work. I mean, like I said, I had priorities in my life, and that was my kids, that was new relationship, that was just kind of going through life. The bus, I recorded everything. The bus footage was actually, even by the time I uploaded it, I think it was about 8 months old. I just took all of this footage that I recorded, I started to poured it into these videos of me making this school bus into a tiny home. I will totally update you on that. It's all good news with the bus. I mean, me and the kids, we use that bus a ton. We've seen a ton of different farms with it. We've been to different adventure places. They've had great time with it. Was it overbuilt? Yeah, like 1000%. This thing was like completely overbuilt, way too much money spent. I know that financial videos get a lot of views on YouTube, but I'll make one for the bus. I am gonna break it down completely, everything I did to it, the things I would avoid, all of that. So the last 2 years, I think I've kind of pretty much explained, you know, where my priorities were at. Having a relationship with this person, they were my children. YouTube just kind of, like, other than the editing those bus videos, it just kind of went aside. I haven't been traveling. I've been focusing a lot of my time on my own personal life and a business, small business that I've been creating, which I am totally going to share that journey. A lot of my projects actually that I've been working on this channel. So that's going to be something that you can look forward to, is a little bit more DIY for sure. I'm always assembling IKEA furniture, so I mean, we're gonna probably have a couple videos on that. Been playing around with the chat bot, and I have some interesting kind of videos that I might kind of include. That kind of leans more towards the tech side of things. Totally gonna give you guys an update on the Adventure Bus. I still have it. I'm gonna let you know what my plans are for it right now, and I think I went over a little bit earlier about mistakes or things that I would change or do differently. Definitely gonna include videos on those. I might have said too about the car, I'm gonna include some Tesla videos as well. Looking at my most viewed videos, and especially the 1,200 of you that are probably gonna come back and watch this video, if you could leave a comment below. What did you come back for? What did you wanna see me for? Like, did you want to see me put together the baby crib, or did you want to see me on one of my adventures that I don't really vlog or storytell very well with? Anyway, I'd honestly hit those comments below and let me know what on this channel that you guys want to see. I'm here for you too, because like the reason I came back and even made this video was for you guys. Like right here, you guys are, I'm just like, I'm hugging you. You guys, you're what this is about. Let's engage in some conversation below, and let's kind of see what I can do further with this channel. I'm at 12K. Maybe I can hit 20K this year. That'd be awesome. But I totally want to make content that you guys enjoy, and I know that you come back for things too. I want to hear what that is. So hit me up below. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button, smash that like button. Until next time, take it easy out there.